video, and today I'm joined by a very special guest. I'm here with Capri. You may know this Capri from our birthday video last year. This is my birthday plan. And today we are off-site at, I guess it's our university? Our university.
Comforting to say.
I am an alumna of Oakwood University in Capri.
I'm a freshman here at Oakwood University, and this is my dorm.
Yay, dorm vibes. So I don't know if you guys remember, but a little while back I did a dorm series, and so we're just picking it back up again because school is in session, and you know, sometimes times are hard and the cab is not it. So we are doing, actually I'm just let Capri tell you what it is that we made today.
Thank you. Basically, we're making some spicy chicken wraps, and
What'd you like most about the spicy chicken wrap?
it was spicy, it was wrapped, it was quick, and it was popping.
Oh. Hey, Sister Girl Tuesday merch still available. Holla at me in the comment section. So we're just gonna go ahead and get to it. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is take a flour tortilla and get your hummus. I'm using the roasted red pepper hummus and spreading it on half of the tortilla. Any flavor hummus will work. This one just has a nice little kick to it, so I decided to use it. Next, you'll go ahead and take your protein. I'm using this slow roasted chicken substitute, and really anything, any kind of lunch meat or whatever will work, but this, if you are vegetarian, is actually a really good little find. So shout out to Tofurkey. Next, we are going to keep with the spicy theme and add some habanero jalapeno cheese. Any cheese will work. And then we're going to add some guacamole for extra flavor. And really, that's all you need to put inside your wrap. If you want to see how I wrap this, be sure to watch my breakfast burrito video. But that's it. That's all you need to make your very own spicy chicken wrap in your dorm. Enjoy!